So let us see what is the meaning of each type of salt. So we are going to start with an acid salt. So what is the meaning of the word acid salt? So an acid salt, from the word acid, in Form 1 we learned about acids and said all acids contain a hydrogen ion. So we are saying the distinguishing property of an acid salt is what? All acid salts, their distinguishing property is that all of them contain a replaceable hydrogen ion. So how do we identify an acid salt? An acid salt is identified by the presence of hydrogen ion. So we are saying an acid salt can be defined as a salt that contains a replaceable hydrogen ion. So let's look at examples. For example, we have a salt such as sodium hydrogen carbonate. From the formula learner, we can see that we have a hydrogen ion. So this hydrogen ion is the one that will make this salt to be called an acid salt, because it has this hydrogen ion that will give it the acidic properties. We have another example is sodium hydrogen sulfate. So this hydrogen ion that is present in this salt is the one that will give it the acidic property. So we are saying, learner, that an acid salt is one that contains a replaceable hydrogen ion. As you can see from these two examples, we have a hydrogen ion in the sodium hydrogen sulfate as well as a hydrogen ion in the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Therefore, these two, we call them acid salts.